Good day everyone and welcome. So in this video I'll show you how to enable HDR in Windows 11. So guys, this is pretty simple, just follow me. So on the left, as you can see, we have our various tabs with settings, and you're looking to go to System, and now you need to go to Display, which is the first tab from the top. And now, as you can see, the third tab from the top now is HDR. If you want to turn it on, make sure to press on this button. And also, guys, of course, make sure to understand that not every monitor supports HDR. So as you can see, for me, this toggle is actually available. That's because I have the HDR implementation available for my monitor, right? So if you go here, you can also, as you can see, have the HDR display calibration if you want to calibrate your HDR. And as you can see, HDR is supported for my monitor, but of course, to make sure to understand that if in your specification of your monitor there's no HDR, then of course this toggle right over here won't be available for you. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like on the video and subscribe, we greatly appreciate it.